is a place where we hope to find comfort and rest. So arriving home after a long day's work, it is the warm welcome by a loving family member or loyal friend that makes us feel most supported and refreshed. So after putting your things down, the last thing you want to do is clean. But with LG's revolutionary vacuum cleaner, follow me, vacuuming is no longer a laborsome chore. Enjoy truly effortless cleaning that provides a more comfortable and refreshing feeling at home. Like a supportive friend, it follows you wherever you wish to go. So unlike other tiresome vacuums that make life more complicated and out of control, Follow Me follows your lead, making cleaning easier and more manageable. When vacuuming, it follows at a close distance of 100 centimeters. This is enabled through revolutionary technology in which the 3 sensors located on the body follows the sensor on the handle. Automatic location recognition technology is a world first for vacuums. This advanced technology has surprisingly smooth and easy movements. Enabled through a finely tuned motorized wheel with intricate technology that can be visible on the outside. Follows you with subtle and easy movements. LG compressor vacuums. Once all dust and debris are sucked in by the nozzle, Cyclone system efficiently separates dust from the clean air, enabling longer-lasting, powerful suction. The dust and debris is then compressed by LG's core technology, compressor, which takes up to 3 times more dust than competitor dustbins. Emptying the dustbin is easier and more hygienic. No messy dust cloud like that of competitors. Air exits the vacuum by passing through 4-layer HEPA filter, which traps over 99.9% of harmful dust particles. HEPA filter is just as easy to maintain, no washing necessary. Main nozzles for combined hardwood flooring and carpet, ideal for rugs. Mini turbine nozzle for sofas. Also unique 2-in-1 nozzle for all your home furniture, including your curtains. Eco-friendly. While vacuuming, easily control the vacuum through handle slide control, and even quiet enough to receive calls and vacuum at the same time. This is made possible through smart engineering, a highly advanced and sophisticated eco-motor that saves 25% energy with dual chamber. Chamber 1 encases the motor for silence, and for additional silence, a second chamber. Ensures that sound is only 74 decibels. And finally, a body on-off button saves additional energy when powered off. LG compressor has a highly stylish, sleek design. Sleek and modern look. Transparent wheels to see intricate motor technology. Convenience. LG compressor. Follow me. Life is good.